So I just bought a $100 jump rope set and it got me wondering, is it any better than my $8 jump rope? In today's video, I'm gonna answer that question and more, so stay tuned. Welcome to Muscles by Marcell, where we help you make the world your gym. Videos up every Sunday, so hit the subscribe button and notification bell. So I went out and purchased the Get Lean set from Crossroad. And it's supposed to help you burn fat faster and get lean muscle. In today's video, I'm gonna answer is this any better than the jump rope I already have, or did I return it? The first thing that you notice when you get a Crossroad, not just the nice box it comes in or the nice bag that it comes with, but the quality of the rope. You can feel that when you hit that rope against the ground, that it's not gonna kill the rope. A lot of times when you have cheaper jump ropes, as they hit the ground, you can feel them start to get a little weaker. If you jump rope as often as I do, I started to notice some of my jump ropes look like they were about to tear. Now, and I have enough jump ropes that I switch out often that nothing's ever torn on me just yet, but this cross rope seems like it's gonna take a very, 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 very long time before it even shows any wear and tear. The Get Lean set comes with two different styles of rope. And if you wanted to switch, you just simply have to take the handles off and put the new rope on. This helps with diversity. This helps you get fit stronger. So if you want to purchase more cross ropes, this does make it pretty simple. Another good thing about the cross rope is the style of handles. Now, it forces you to almost have good form because you're not constantly moving your wrist trying to get it around. You can just twirl your hands and you'll be in much better form. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, check out my video on how to get the proper form right here. My barrier to entry for this rope was the heavy price tag. $100 just seems like a lot for a jump rope, like crazy. I thought I would never spend $100 on a jump rope, and here I am, spending $100 on a jump rope. And the quality of the rope says I'll have this rope for years, and it will now be my go-to rope. When you watch videos of me, you'll probably see me using this rope. Now, is it worth the money, especially if you're a beginner? I would say yes. It forces you to have proper form, as I said previously, and proper form is everything. It will stop you from tripping. It will help you do more tricks. It will help you get in better shape, help you not hurt yourself. Picking the proper jump rope is all about knowing your goal. Now, if you're not sure which you should pick, watch this video right here. It'll help you pick between a regular jump rope and a heavy one. And as always, just start. Worry about being perfect later. Peace.